Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming KYC, PAN, and your bank are linked. This unlocks intraday trading. Once done, open the Groww app and switch order type to MIS. This enables intraday square-off. Make sure your account has margin for the position size you plan to trade, because leverage affects risk and exposure. You should pick a liquid symbol and predefine your target and stop-loss levels. This avoids emotional decisions when price moves quickly. Now place the trade. Choose limit for precise entry or market if immediacy matters, and enter quantity based on margin and risk per trade. You should attach a stop-loss and target in the order ticket, and if Groww supports bracket orders, use them to automate exit. While the trade runs, monitor order book depth, time and sales, and short timeframe charts, 1 minute and 5 minute, to judge momentum. Adjust only with a clear rationale. Avoid random changes. Finish by closing positions before the market session ends, or confirm auto square-off is enabled so you are not assigned overnight. After exit, reconcile your P&L, brokerage, and taxes to track performance trends. If an order does not execute, inspect slippage, your limit price, and available margin, then adjust strategy or size. If the app behaves oddly, clear cache, update Groww, and contact support with order ID. This speeds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.